Thank you very much, Paul, for a fantastic opening keynote and wonderful introduction for the entire TechLive User Days 2021. I warmly welcome everybody in the audience today from India and Middle East. Myself, Harsh Parekh. I'm the Regional Sales Director for Trimble Solutions India and SAARC region. It is wonderful and my privilege to be here in front of you all to once again talk about how Trimble is innovating, how our users have been very, very successful, and it is heartening to see such a huge reception in terms of gathering we have in this forum. So thank you very much, and once again, warm welcome to everyone on the screen today. Probably I can't see everyone. So let's look at some of the situations what we are witnessing. Like in past 18 months, the most vulnerable situation as well as the difficult situations everybody has seen across the world is COVID, and though it created kind of a fear and a kind of uncertainty, but definitely it has given an opportunity for all of us to think differently. And when you think differently, it certainly leads us to innovate something different and something new. That how do we basically work? How do we ensure that we are in continuum, and how do we basically leverage on what we have in terms of technology in our surroundings? So let me give you one study which probably most of you would have felt in some way, but Gartner's revealed a study where they came up that 98% of the employees, like there was a survey conducted, 98% of the employees wants to work remotely. That's the kind of a desire. And 82% of the CEOs of most organizations also probably supporting this flexible approach of working. And the primary reason which everybody has understood and witnessed, it's like health and safety of the employees is very, very important. So what is needed like to achieve these kind of things, because both the parts are very well understanding the needs and requirement of the hour, but we continue to innovate. So the choices we need to make, that we need to have the flexible choices. We need to be in a connected environment as we are right now, and we need things which are easily accessible. These are the three things which I think nobody can live with in the present environment, and how we can make it more and more easier in terms of flexibility and connectivity and accessibility, and that requires the innovation. And I think 2 years back, I'm not too sure like if everybody attended that, but I said this thing, the markets are really, really driving some kind of a disruption. And there are three things, and it will continue to evolve on multiple directions. So the demands are changing, the products are changing according to the demands, and the production environments are changing. So whether we talk about a product, whether we talk about a segment, whether we talk about an industry, everything is going through a change with these kind of innovation. And Trimble is a company which believes in innovation and continues to strive for building new things. So as a part of our company's mission, it is very clear, we talk about transforming the way world works. And you know, the vision of the company is always connecting the physical and digital world. So how do you connect digital world to the physical and gives the real-time experience to all our customers and users? And we are committed to basically work in that direction. We all know the change is a difficult thing, but it is inevitable. We need to adopt change. So with that perspective, Trimble continues to invest in terms of its products. Tekla is our flagship product. You are all using this for every industry, maybe steel, concrete, precast, but that's we continue to evolve and come up with the new product functionality. But it's not only about new functionality. In fact, we are focusing more in terms of like how do we make it more accessible, the new functionality, interoperability tool, the partnerships we are doing with some of the industry leaders. So like you get more and more content available. And of course, how can we make the user interface more and more easy for everyone? But that's not all. It's not only about product. Customer is always our focus, and you are all the priorities. And to continue delivering these products and these solutions more and more efficient, a huge investment we are making in terms of our support and services, right? Making these solutions more and more affordable, more accessible, as Paul just spoke about. And like, you might have seen like there are multiple software, so making it more and more simple for you to manage the whole stuff. So it is not about just a user day. It is like how we connect and scale the way we work. So when we talk about the connected construction, if we need to introspect ourselves, that how do we connect the multiple solutions which we were having it, make it more flexible, have it more accessible, and make it more widely used in our day-to-day usage, so productivity goes up. So with that, I leave you with the one thought, that is, use this platform for next 3 days to connect on every aspect of how you use and how others use, and try to scale it up in terms of your knowledge, in terms of the usability of these solutions, and how basically Trimble is gonna help you and continue remain invested in your productivity and in your usability. With our teams in India, Middle East, and the executive sponsorships, we always are going to be with our customers. So thank you, all of you, and stay connected.